Hello class, I know it's been a while since I've done one of these videos in a while, but I hope that you're still keeping safe, keeping well, and you are still working hard. So today we are going to start our new topic, which is multiplication. I know what you're thinking, Mr. McCain, that doesn't say multiplication. Yes, I know, it says using arrays, and I'm going to explain what an array is and how we can use it to help our multiplication. So when do we use arrays? So an array can help us with multiplication questions. It allows us to make multiplying easier through grouping and repeated addition, and this ensures that our number facts are just learned this makes our number facts a little bit easier to learn, and it makes them stay with us just that little bit longer. Okay, so an example. So you know what that question is? It is 3 multiplied by 2, or 3 times 2, but it can also mean 3 groups of 2. Alright, and this is where the arrays come into it. We draw it like this. Okay, so we have 1 group, 2 group, and 3 groups. Alright, so we got 3 groups of 2, so we can add those together. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the repeated addition, I look 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, or 3 times 2, or 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Okay, so be another example here. So 5 times 4, or 5 multiplied by 4. So we're going to put 4 into 5 groups. Okay, so we have 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group. Okay, so 5 groups of 4. So in repeated addition, that'll look like 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 5 times equals 20. 5 times 4 equals 20, or 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. Okay, so it's your go. I'm going to put up 4 questions where you are going to have to draw the array like I have done. Okay, so and obviously give the answer. Okay, so if you pause the video now, draw the array as a piece of paper and write down what the answer is, and I will and I'll have the answers for when you come back. Okay, so I've just done the repeated addition way. So we've got 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 times 2 is 8. I've got 5 add 5 equals 10, so 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 5 is 5 add 5 add 5, so that's 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 5 is 5 added 7 times, which gives us 35. Okay, so feel free to send me your answers on Dojo as well, and I'll have a look over how you do your arrays. Okay, so we're going to carry on with you having a go. So this time it's going to be 3 questions where I have done the arrays for you. I want you to write down the multiplication, what the answer is, and how you would write it. So say the way I done it last time, 2 times the times sign, multiplication sign, 5, and so on. Okay, so this is the first one. And this is question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2 being the blue, question number 3 being the red. Okay, so see how many groups there are and what is the array, what is the answer. Okay, so the answers are the yellow was 3 groups of 10, so 3 multiplied by 10, which is 30. The blue was 2 groups of 6, which is 12, and the red was 5 groups of 4, which was 20. So again, feel free to send me your answers on Dojo, and I will look over them there. So arrays in real life, alright, so we've got 5 rows and 5 columns. Alright, so we've got 5 going across, 5 going down. So we know that is 5 going across, 5 coming down on each side, so it's going to be 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, which is 25. So that would be 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Okay, so I have now got pictures, and I want you to write down what the multiplication question is and what the answer is from the array. So we got eggs there. We've got my favourite, which is a box of chocolate biscuits. And we have fizzy drinks, which during lockdown I have become far too familiar with. Okay. So the answers for those were, there was 12 eggs, so it was 6 groups of 2. We have 30 biscuits, it was 6 groups of 5. And we had 24 drinks, which was 4 groups of 6. That's what that was. Alright, so I'm going to send you another challenge, alright, because I've been setting you a challenge all week about going around the house and putting things into groups. Alright, and I want you to try and do that again, this time in arrays. So go around your house, create an array, say with tins of beans, with apples, grapes, oranges, shoes. Take a picture of them, see how many you can get, and send me the pictures on Dojo, please. Okay, so thank you very much, and